friends, in this video tutorial we are going to learn that how can we create logo. Before beginning, let's look into what is actually logo. While we see big platforms as BBC, Fox News and Al Jazeera, you have seen that they are using their logos to protect their own content as well as for identification. So, being a professional, you have to use logos. And YouTube also will consider you a good creator. So let's go ahead and create for free logo. First of all, open your Google window and in the search engine, write the hash for logo designing. You will find this website. Actually, this website is being owned by Shopify, or they are have a contract with Shopify. I think so. Let's do more. While you click on this link, you will redirect to another page like this. So here you have to sign in. If you are not signed in, you have to sign up. Just put your email and name. You will be there. There will be account created for you. After sign in, you can see there are some logos here. Now click on the get started. Here you will redirect to another page. Now here you may ask for business or channel category. Just select the niche according to your channel. You can create according to fashion, health, food and lot of other spaces available. You can select any of just select and click on the next. Now here you may ask visual style. Select the which kind of the style you want for your logo according to your need and press the next. Now here you may be confirmed that where this logo you want to use. So there are a lot of options. Select according your need. I'm here selecting the social media because I'm creating for my YouTube channel. So just click on the next here. You can see almost your logo is ready. But in here edit section, you have opportunity to change the layout of your logo, change the layer of your logo, change the color of your logo, change the style of your logo. You can see you can do so you can do this and click on the next. Eventually here you will find download button and here you can see how does your logo looks on a Facebook and an Instagram at a YouTube, how pretty it's good look. Click on the download button and it's 100% free, no watermark, no restrictions, no money. Free is absolutely free. Just click on a download. Now logo is downloading. Now open your email inbox. Now you can see that we have created earlier this logo and we have received from Hatchful website, but this is a zip file. You have to extract this file and use it where you want to use. Now if you want to use this in your videos,